Hi, this is an update on the January 2017 visa bulletin which just came out few days ago, and we're going to do a comparison. First of all, unfortunately, we have been pushing for the January 2017 visa bulletin to be current on chart B, but it didn't go through. Of course, this was a long shot, but we tried it, but unfortunately, it didn't work out. So I have the visa bulletin January 2017 open here, and we will go one by one. You have the F1 is 2010, and for all chargeability January, and also for China 2010 also, and for India also is 2010, Mexico 1995. The F1 are for unmarried sons and daughters of U.S. citizen, and there's no big change here. If you look at, let's click on the December. December was 2009. Wow, it moved actually by 1 year. So there is some change here. It actually not 1 year really. It's 1 month, but it changed the year. So it's not a big change then. Now the one that interests most people is F4 because of the Child Status Protection Act, etc. And here, if you look at this is December, but now if you go back to January F4 moved to May 2003 for India, November 2003 for China, and for all other countries, January 2004, which is some kind of good news for some people, but of course it's moving very at a very slow pace as usual on this. As for now, looking at this is acceptance chart B. That means basically they will start processing the case, but that doesn't mean a big thing when it comes to those cases. It might help a little bit, but not that much. Now let us go into EB2 categories. Employment-based categories. EB1 still current for everybody. If you look at January, then for EB2 China 2012, which was, I think, it went a little bit, it went backward if I'm not mistaken. Here for China, no, it stays the same for China. It moved 1 month. As for India, we have a little movement, a movement from February 2008 to April 2008, which is kind of going to be good news for some people. Hopefully, they'll get their green card. And EB3, we have for India moving to March 2005. And here, if you look at the previous one, it was still March. So EB3, no movement for India. Now, as for El Salvador, etc., there is a movement a little bit. EB2 for China is still beating EB2, and the rest are EB5 current except for China, EB4 current except for El Salvador, EB4 for religious workers. Now the question is, everybody is asking now is, what do we expect, of course, for next month? I will do my predictions later, but unfortunately it's kind of disappointing. We were hoping some kind of push from President Obama on the January 2017 visa bulletin, which didn't come true. But again, I was thinking about it. Maybe February 2017 will be the one, because he will still be the one deciding for February, because that will we will get the answer around January 9, and we will have more details on that. And hopefully, I'll do my predictions soon. But based on that, it seems it's moving at the normal pace. And unfortunately, we were praying the government basically to give us a chart B which makes everything current, and it has not happened, but we still have some hope. And hopefully, President Trump will look into that in a better way and maybe grant, because he's changing his mind on many things, and we're hoping he will change his mind and grant a lot of people from China and India their green card, at least their work permit. Good luck to all of you, and anything I'm telling you today is my opinion. You should not act or refrain to act solely on the information provided. You should contact an attorney if you have any questions. And please subscribe to our videos for updates. You can just go on Sharp Rally Law, youtube.com, Sharp Rally Law. Good luck to you. Thank you.